Hi everyone, welcome to Electric Vehicle Showroom, where we showcase new line of technology from various EV models of famous manufacturers around the world. The Volvo XC40 Recharge is hardly out, and the Swedish automaker is already excited on its next electric vehicle. The C40 Recharge is Volvo's second pure battery electric car. A marginally shorter and more rationalized version of the XC40 Recharge, the C40 Recharge will be made on the same modular platform as the automaker's first EV and will be in production at Volvo's Ghent, Belgium factory this 2021. The announcement of the C40 Recharge put Volvo one step closer to its objective of electrifying half of its lineup by 2025. Earlier, Volvo told that it would go 100% electric by 2030. The automaker also mentioned that it will slowly end the life cycle carbon footprint on each car by 40% from the cars it will produce. The C40 Recharge is projected to get the same range as the XC40 Recharge, with 210 miles based on the EPA's standard or 420 kilometers based on Europe's WLTP. Volvo says that range will progress with over-the-air software updates in the future. Will the price be the same as the XC40 Recharge? We don't know yet because Volvo is not releasing any relevant information at this time. So you better stick around for the next update on this EV from Volvo.